Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I posted my first video a couple hours ago, so I posted it about an hour ago, but when I post this video it's going to be about 2 hours ago, so yeah. And I just want to give a big shout out to, let me see, go add my sister gabzpanda 22. Also go add my friend Janessa, age 2017. And yesterday it was Janessa's birthday, so I just want to give her a big shout out. And she's trying to make a channel. So I'm gonna help her do that. Let's text her. I'm gonna say, and sorry in my videos if it's slow because this screen recorder thing is kinda making it slow. So I'm gonna say hi. You're in my video. Say hi to them. Comment down below what you guys think I should call you guys, cause I don't know what I should call you guys. And she said hi. Okay. Let's just put these to the side. And so we're gonna go see if people are subscribed to me yet. I'm gonna say, I don't know what I'm gonna say. Make sure you guys subscribe and like, and in most of my videos I'm going to be adding music in the background because sometimes I might not be talking, so it might just be boring. It might just be like silent, so I'm going to add music in the background, but that's why I have to talk so loud because the music is so loud. Oh, I am Galaxy Game or whatever her name is, friend. Okay. I'm going to say, who's sub to my YouTube channel? Yeah, I don't think that's how I spell channel. Hold on. Yeah, sure, just now. This girl said me. I'm gonna say, what's my my sister. Sorry if you just heard my dog barking because someone was knocking at the door. And if you hear my brother. Ugh. What the? I'm trying to friend VIP people so I can get whatever it's called. What's it called? Gigi? What's it called? 50 VIP, 100. Yeah, that. I'm trying to get select. So I didn't know what it was called at first, so that's when I asked her. So I just befriending everybody now. I don't even know. Let's go see what was the theme. I don't even know. Hey, I don't care. What was the theme? What was the theme? I think every week I'm gonna post 2 videos. But we'll see, I have to figure that out. But today I'm posting 2 videos, cause why not? Maybe even 3? Cause I don't know. And my intro and my outro are coming soon. Cause I'm technically still, me and my friend are still in the middle of making it. Cause she's helping me. But me and her are making a channel together. So it's like Ariana and Kylie, I think something else. I don't actually know, but what's the new thing? Oh, it's still the spotlight. Oh, I knew that. So let's just look at the stuff. And we have a pretty dress. I actually have this. And I lost all my diamonds because I greet people. I can't sit right here. But oh my god. Like, what are these? Those earrings. I'm just moving you guys somewhere I can see better. Okay. This hair is adorable. Yeah, Janessa has it. I might get it, but it's 6 diamond. Yeah, 6. I mean 6. This hair is adorable, and it has to be diamond. I'm gonna make a book. Not a book. You know what it is. You know what I mean, right, people? I'm gonna go to movie town. Oh, I'm gonna make an art book. That's what it's called. Bless you. It's okay. Sissy just did sneezy. I'm gonna make one. Free text. Can this move? I'm not even. I don't even know how I use the words, but okay. Do you guys know how to work this? I think I'm gonna get this thingy and. No. Trash can. Free text right here, bro. Oh, you're right there, okay. I think I'm gonna, no, yep. Move you right here. So I'm gonna start typing. Go. I think this is how you spell step. R-I-B-E. No. Forgot. Wait. I have it in my status. C-S-C-R-I-B-E. Yeah, got it. go subscribe to my YouTube. No. I'm gonna move you over. Where's my mousey thingy? Oh. That's too big. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit. I can't bring you in. Go subscribe to my you know YouTube account. So I'm gonna get this thingy. I'm gonna bring it down here. Come on. No. No, I can move it. Great. I'm gonna put get me to 100 subs. Yeah, subs. Okay, and I'm gonna bring you over here a little bit. But I'm gonna like no. I'll make you big. And then this one is Ariana. No, can't be camera. That's just my name. Make it so big. Not 10 subs, 100 subs. I'm gonna put a heart right there. No, bigger. I'm just gonna put hearts everywhere. Cause why not? What's so wrong with hearts? Okay, I'm just dilly-dallying. Okay, that will work. And then you. IDK. Love you guys. You gotta get smaller. Friends, sure. Okay, this video is gonna end right now. Let me just save this. They're just for YouTube. Save. Okay, so I'm gonna end today's video. Gosh, that scared me. Today's second video here. Can you shush? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't really do anything but except the art book and friend 2 people. But yeah, subscribe. Get me to 100 subscribers. Let's see if we can get this video to 20 likes. Because I'm like new, so yeah. Bye, peoples. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.